1995 Chevy k3500 6.5 liter turbo diesel. Made a couple earlier videos. I think it's an antifreeze leak is what I think is going on, but it doesn't really seem to leak unless you let it sit overnight. So I found my bottom clamp down there and tried tightening it up. I don't even know if you can see it down in there. And then I noticed this here clamp right here. When I overhauled the engine, it seems like it slid down. So I moved the clamp up there. Checked my thermostat housing. But anyway, just keep looking at stuff.